crazy person.
My mother thinks I'm crazy because I'm taking video of this.
With flip-flops on.
With flip-flops on. I'm grounded, they're rubber. Sick! It was 99 degrees today in Virginia with like 85% humidity. It's very sticky and gross. I don't know if it works the same as it does in New York, but hopefully these storms will maybe cool it off a little. I don't know. I guess we'll see. But, yeah, it's been doing this for like an hour now. Figured I'd share with you guys. Oh, okay, I think it's time to go in now before it starts to rain.